Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Chubb Insurance for high-value homeowners step by step clearly. To begin using Chubb Insurance for your high-value home, gather relevant information about your property. This includes details on square footage, age, construction type, and any unique features such as artwork or collectibles. Next, assess your insurance needs and determine the value of your home and its contents. Research Chubb Insurance to understand their offerings for high-value homeowners. Visit the Chubb Insurance website to familiarize yourself with their policies and coverage options. Consider the specific types of coverage you may need, such as dwelling coverage, personal property protection, and liability coverage. Contact a local Chubb Insurance agent to discuss your options and ask any questions you might have. Set up an appointment for a personal property assessment, which is often offered by Chubb to determine the right coverage for you. During the assessment, provide details about your home and any high-value items you want covered. Review the policy options provided by your agent in detail. Pay close attention to coverage limits, deductibles, and any exclusions in the policy. Compare these options to ensure they meet your needs and expectations. Once you select a policy, the agent will guide you through the application process. Be prepared to provide any additional documentation, such as appraisals for valuable items or photographs of your home. After submitting your application, review the terms of your policy carefully before finalizing. Once your policy is in place, set reminders for annual reviews of your coverage. This ensures that your policy remains up to date with any changes in your home's value or additional acquisitions. Finally, maintain open communication with your Chubb Insurance agent for ongoing support and claims assistance if needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.